First, let's see how to enter the code if you have one. Okay, it's a 4-digit code, so enter the first digit using the dial number 1, and again the second one using number 2, and the third one using number 3, and the fourth one using number 4. After that, press number 5. It should be working. Let's check the radio. Yeah, it's working. Okay, how to get the code if you don't have one? We need our radio serial number in order to buy online. Let's see how to get the serial number. We have to remove the radio from the dash in order to see the serial number. In most cases, the serial number will start with B or M. After getting the radio serial number, go to eBay and start searching with your radio model. So it will cost you around £1. So you can see they need the 7-digit serial number beginning with B or M. So if you give the serial number to them via message, they will message you with your code. Consider subscribing to my channel. Maybe in the future you will get some useful videos. Thank you.